Hello class, welcome to anatomy. Today we'll be talking about muscles and muscle contraction. Can anyone tell me the first step to muscle contraction? Yes, Ms. Vidian.
The brain sends a signal to muscles through the neurons.
Alright, good job. Katie, what happens next?
Well, then calcium is generated from that neuron and released into neuromuscular junction.
And then the increase of calcium ions causes ACH to be released into the synaptic cleft.
Good job, Barrett. Then the ACH binds to ACH receptors, which are present in the sarcolemma. Then calcium is released by sarcoplasmic reticulum as the action potential travels down to T-tubules in muscular fiber. Sam, do you know what's next?
Yeah, I do. Calcium binds with troponin, which causes tropomyosin to shift and expose the myosin binding sites on actin.
Good job.
Thanks.
And then ATP turns into ADP and phosphorus, which releases energy for myosin power strokes.
Good job, Katie. Barrett, do you know the last couple steps?
Yeah, the myosin binds to actin, and the myosin head bends and actin slides over the myosin surface, which causes the myosin to release the ADP molecule.
Great job, class. To finish this lesson, here's a model I made to show what a muscle looks like.
Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh,
That's so interesting. What's written on it?
Yeah, why are those letters?
muscle.
Oh, cool.
I like that. That shows you put a lot of time and effort into it.
This concludes our class period.